idiot. You gotta say your name. I am Carlson. I was dating your sister. Right.
Hello?
Is this Carissa Smith?
Yes.
Okay, Ms. Smith, hold the line. We're getting ready to get started in our virtual courtroom.
Okay.
Is this Jacob Newcomb?
Yeah.
Mr. Newcomb, this is Judge Morris. Please hold the line. We're getting ready to get started in our virtual courtroom.
Okay.
The matter before the court, folder number 27917. Carissa Smith, petitioner, Jacob Newcomb, respondent. Please place your appearances on the record, starting with the petitioner, Ms. Smith.
Ms. Smith, state your name, please.
Carissa Smith.
By way of identification, Ms. Smith, your date of birth and the last four of your social.
December 3rd, 1999. 5057.
Thank you. And Jacob Newcomb, state your name, please.
Jacob Newcomb.
And by way of identification, sir, because we can't see you, your date of birth and the last four of your social.
Can you repeat that, please?
Yes. Can't see you, sir. So by way of identification, your date of birth and the last four of your social.
Okay. 06142000 4889.
Thank you. This matter is before the court on a family offense petition filed March 4th, 2021. A temporary order of protection was issued on March 5th, 2021. The matter was scheduled for March 29th, 2021 at 2:30. I believe that Attorney Farrell, did you appear, I think, Mr. Farrell, on March 29th?
I don't believe I opened this, Judge. We only opened the file in this matter on April 9th.
Okay, thank you. I know that Ms. Smith did not appear on March 29th, so we moved the matter again to today. Ms. Smith and Mr. Newcomb, in this matter, both of you are advised you have a right to be represented by a lawyer at all stages of the proceeding. Each of you has the right to hire an attorney of your choice. Each of you has the right to request that an attorney be assigned to represent you at no cost to you. You are financially unable to hire an attorney, and if you meet the eligibility requirements. Both of you understand those rights?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, and Mr. Newcomb, you're represented by Mr. Farrell of the Office of the Public Defender, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Smith, we don't have a notice of appearance from any attorney on your behalf yet. Have you made an application for a lawyer?
No, I don't have the ability to pay a lawyer.
Okay. Did you make an application for a free lawyer?
I did through Renewal House. I haven't had any confirmation from them.
Okay. Is it your intention to go forward on this petition that you filed because you didn't appear on March 29th? Do you intend to?
I wasn't given any kind of a notice then. I only have this one.
Okay. But you were in the courtroom on March 5th, 2021, and you received a temporary order of protection. And while you were in the virtual courtroom, I told you that the matter was adjourned to March 29th at 2:30. Do you recall that?
No.
Well, I recall that, and it's reflected in the notes. And so we scheduled it for March 29th when you were before me in a virtual court proceeding on March 5th and got the temporary order of protection. And when you were present virtually on March 5th, we talked about making an application for a free lawyer, and you said you had, with Renewal House, the possibility of being represented by legal aid. Do you recall all of that?
Yes, I remember talking to you about Renewal House.
Okay. So do you want us to mail you out another application for a free lawyer?
Sure.
Okay. Has your address changed since the address that you put in the petition?
No.
Okay. So it's 25 East DeKalb Road in Herman?
Mhm.
And Mr. Newcomb, your address is 27 Gleason Street in Gouverneur?
That is not correct.
Okay, what is your address, sir?
Currently, it is 459 Cousin Town Road, DeKalb Junction, New York, 13630.
459 Cousin Town Road or 495?
459.
459 Cousin Town Road in Canton?
No, in DeKalb Junction.
Okay, I apologize.
That's okay.
So, Ms. Smith, we're going to mail you out another application for a free lawyer. You may still wish to call the Renewal House Advocacy Agency to see if you were eligible for the services of legal aid. That number is 315-379-9845. We'll mail you out an application for a free lawyer. You must fill it out totally. These are the same instructions as before that we reviewed on March 5th. The application, if you think something in the application doesn't apply to you, make a note that you think it doesn't apply and why you think it doesn't apply. Also, you'll see on that application that you must provide additional information. That additional information provides the Office of Indigent Defense with information as to how you support yourself. You must do so. They can't make a determination about whether or not you're eligible for the services of a free lawyer if you don't send in a complete application. Once you send it in, Ms. Smith, as I advised you previously, you must follow up. By that, I mean you got to call the Office of Indigent Defense. The number's on the application. When you call, the purpose of your call is, first of all, to make sure they got your application, to see if your application was complete or see if they need any additional information. If you are eligible for the services of an attorney, they're going to be able to tell you who has been assigned. I recommend to every person who takes the application, keep a copy for yourself. That provides you with a reference. In case you need to refer to the application, you'll have your copy of what you sent into the Office of Indigent Defense. Do not wait. Once you get the application, Ms. Smith, fill it out and send it in right away. You can hand deliver it if you want to. If you're going to be in Canton, the Office of Indigent Defense is in the building literally next door to the courthouse on the corner of, not State Street, corner of Court Street and Judson Street. You can hand deliver your application if you choose to do so, or you can bring it in. The next date that you're going to have, Ms. Smith, that I'm going to give you today is a trial date. So it's really important that you go through the process of getting that application filled out and sent in to see if you're eligible for the services of a free lawyer so that you have an attorney available to provide you with legal advice. Do you understand all that?
Yes.
Okay. And do you recall that now from our conversation before
No.
on March 5th? I'm sorry. You don't recall that from March 5th?
No, I'm happy to write down whatever information you're giving me.
Thank you. I'm thinking about trial date of July 23rd at 2:30. Attorney Farrell,
Where-
that date works for you?
Okay, where am I supposed to be going for this?
So the trial is going to be virtual unless you receive a notice in advance that it is in person. So
Okay.
plan today to appear just like this. I'm sorry, go ahead, Attorney Farrell.
I apologize, Your Honor. I don't think I've sent a letter to the court to this effect yet. I'm not going to be available on that date. One of my cousins is getting married in the Albany area.
Okay, get that letter in if you would, Attorney Farrell. Alternatively, could we do it on Wednesday, July 21st at 2?
Yes, I'm available at that time, Judge.
So, Ms. Smith and Mr. Newcomb, trial, July 21st at 2. Plan for it to be a virtual trial, just like this, unless you received a notice at the addresses that you confirmed for us today, then it is in person. We are slowly moving back to some in-person proceedings, following the changes in the court's COVID-19 pandemic protocols. But unless you receive a notice that it's an in-person proceeding, the trial will be virtual. So, Ms. Smith, it's really important that you go through this application process or call Renewal House, speak with the lawyer from Legal Aid, however you choose to do it. But you want to give that attorney enough time to be prepared for trial on July 21st at 2. Okay? It's really important that you go through that step if you want to go forward with the trial. I'm going to continue the terms of the temporary order of protection through, it currently has an expiration date of September 5th, 2021. That is the date past our trial date, so I don't think we need to reissue the order of protection. And Ms. Newcomb, please confirm your phone number that we would be using on July 21st to reach you.
315-323-5826.
Okay, and Ms. Smith, same for you. Can you confirm your phone number?
315-323-1546.
Last four were 1546?
Yes.
Okay. And Mr. Newcomb, you previously advised the court that you got a copy of the temporary order of protection. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that remains in full force and effect. Is there anything else that needs to come to the attention of the court today?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Everyone can leave the call then. Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't think I can do this. The fuck was that? So apparently my order of protection is already up. That was that temporary. That was fucking it. I have to hear his fucking voice for nothing. P-Talk-Town 2. Sorry, I'm a random young person.